Yangzhou Tianshi New Material Technologies Company was established in 2016, located in Jiangsu Yangzhou Chemical Industrial Park, which is another super large-scale wax additive production base of Tianshi Group after Nanjing plant. Yangzhou Tianshi covers an area of 85 acres, with a total investment of 400 million yuan. The annual output of various waxes reach 52,000 tons, including 30,000 tons of fine synthetic waxes, 6,000 tons oxidized waxes and 16,000 tons wax emulsions, providing precise application of wax additives and technical services for PVC, color master batch, hot melt adhesive, engineering plastics, rubber, textile, paper making, printing and dyeing, building materials and other industries, rallying nearly 20 product patents and technical experience of Tianshi Group. Yangzhou Tianshi has both mastered precise molecular weight control and melting point control technologies and processes of fouling, ultra-fine synthetic waxes, 33, 48, 52, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 115, 118 degrees, with high cutting precision, high molecular weight cutoff, and good product quality consistency. Yangzhou Tianshi utilizes advanced patented technologies to produce oxidized waxes with high efficiency, stable and reliable key quality indicators, such as acid value, needle penetration, color. Yangzhou Tianshi adopts imported full automatic packaging system, weighing equipment and palletizing robot to ensure the cleanliness of the workshop, high weighing accuracy and good package ingelliability. With a packaging volume up to 8 tons per hour, Yangzhou Tianshi continuously provides customers with professional technical supports and product customization services. Precisely use off wax additives for a better world.